Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I will show you the MPG that actually this car can get by doing an urban half-an-hour drive. So basically I'm gonna just take the car for a run, doing my daily routine in a half-an-hour drive, mainly inside the city with no motorway involved, only urban drive as I said, and trying to show you the fuel efficiency that this car has or it might not have. So basically what they're claiming to be a car that is fuel efficient and a car that just break the cell number a few years ago. Well, let's see if it's true or if it's not. You may wondering yourself the MPG that you can get out of this car, out of a Kia Sportage. This car is from 2016, so it's not that old. Let's pop in. Alright then, what I will do, I will reset all the readings and drive the car for like half an hour. This is the old readings, this is the old average MPG that we have. I will reset this as well, starting from 0, and I will reset this one as well. I will show you on top. Is actually here on top there will be the mileage that we're gonna run today, the average speed that we're gonna achieve, and the time. As I said, there will be like roughly half an hour, the time that the car is being driven inside the city. So let's see how it works. Hello and welcome back. As promised to you, I will show you now the results that I managed to achieve by driving the car urban inside the city for half an hour. And let's turn it on. Just got home now. Let's turn the ignition key on. As you can see, I managed to achieve 37.5 MPG mile per gallon, which is a quite decent fuel consumption, counting that the car is a small SUV and is quite big, a big size. And let's see the other readings. I managed to do 8.1. Let me zoom for you. I managed to do 8.1 mile and with an average speed of 12 miles per hour, and the time was 38, so it's more than half an hour, slightly more, 38 minutes. This fuel consumption, 37.5 MPG, it will translate like a 6.3 liters for every 100 kilometers you actually driving the car. I'm quite satisfied. Please don't forget to leave your comments if you do have the same car, or if you do having an issue with the fuel consumption, or I don't know, any question you may have in regards to this car. Please feel free to leave a comment. I will do my best to answer your comments. And that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification, as I will do more and more videos. In the next videos, I will try to cover with you, to test with you the car for an let's say an outside the city fuel consumption. I will drive the car extra urban to see how it behaves and to see the fuel efficiency that actually this car is having. Thank you for today and hope to see you around. Bye bye for now.